Oh no, someone is getting pulled over. Just cooling off the Ferrari a little bit. Shit, it's a La Ferrari. Holy shit. Wow. Alright guys, so we are back in Beverly Hills, Rodeo Drive. Guys, just a random LaFerrari Aperta right here. And I'm gonna park right behind it. Oh yeah. A LaFerrari Aperta. LaFerrari. Hey, nice car.
Thank you.
And the Ferrari F50 right here. It's a Ford GT. Nice car, man. Yeah, that's mine. Can you tell? Thank you. Sick car, man. We got influencers in the wild right next to the Ferrari F50. Yeah, rowdy. Rowdy.
Banana car.
Someone said banana car. Guys, can this be the biggest tour of the century? So, the Rodeo Drive Beverly Hills official Instagram account just posted my Ferrari F50 on their Instagram account. Look at this. The Ferrari made it to their Instagram account. Yo, it also says, luxury everywhere you look. Wow. They even have 80,000 followers. Guys, if you haven't followed me on Instagram, make sure you follow me on Instagram, Speedster404. Oh yeah. He's spotting the Ferrari and I'm spotting his 430. Nice. Admiring the Ferrari. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. 812 GTS. Spotting in the Ferrari F50. We got an ACR from the Middle East. Wow. Look at this. All the way from the UAE. car spotting in the Ferrari F50, baby. Let's see what we have here. It's a freaking Koenigsegg CCX. Wow. What a car to be spotted in Beverly Hills. Nice. AMG GTR Black Series. Oh, that's a really nice color on the Urus. We got a SVJ Roadster. Very nice. Look at that license plate. I hear something. A hurricane. And the Ferrari.